When you're cutting tile, you need to make sure you have a mark. You'd always have a mark. And you see we've got guide rails here that you can set the tile up against. Keep it nice and straight. Get your mark centered. Make sure to keep your hands away from the blade. Keep it separated just like with any other kind of saw. And then when you cut, you're going to go very slow. You're just going to let the blade do the work and just guide it along. Just a little bit of pressure as you go. If you go too fast, it's going to burn up. It'll either burn the tile and the blade or one or the other, which is not good for either or for you or me. Just keep cutting there, nice and slow. Okay, we've got the cut through. Put a chip on this tile. Each saw has its own personality. Sometimes you'll notice that happen quite a bit on one side, but on this other side we got a nice straight edge. Looks pretty good.